Hi guys, Kevin Fada here and welcome back. In this video we're going to look at ElevenLabs, and this is another software for doing AI videos, for basically text to audio. What is impressive about this one, it also has a free option, but it allows you to clone your voice, which is obviously, unfortunately, not part of the paid option. Sorry, not part of the free option. So let's just look at the pricing plans here. Free forever. You get 10,000 characters per month. Now, for a video sales letter from my experiments here, basically we did 2 video sales letters. One was around 5 minutes long and one was around 6 minutes long, and both of them were under 10,000 words, which are around 7,000 and 8,000 words. So with that said, with a free trial or with a free plan, you can actually do 2 sales videos per month. You can use up to 3 custom voices, and you can create random voices using the voice design, which is very cool if you want to do some niche stuff. And you also have the option here to do different languages. Right, it works pretty much the same way. Now, before I get into and show you the demo here, I just want to, the reason I'm showing you this particular one is it allows you to clone your own voice, which means that if you record 1 minute of audio, and from there it has your voice, and from there you can use your own voice to create the video sales letters. And I think that's really, really, really cool. It's basically like replacing yourself. Okay, it works pretty much the same as Voice Magic. You can see here I've added one voice here, American middle-aged male. I can add one more voice if I want. You've got these options. This is, you must subscribe and pay money. Again, I'm keeping this 100% free. You've got voice library from the community, and you've got voice design. The easiest or the quickest way to get started is obviously voice library. And then you can come along, choose male or female, choose middle age, choose the accent, and the latest, most uses. And being honest, if I was going to sort by anything, I would sort by what's most popular, so people are used to that particular voice. So from there you can say, okay,
I believe that we are fundamentally the same and have the same basic potential.
Okay, and if you like that voice, you can click Add to Voice Labs. Right, so from there, we go to Voice Lab, it'll show up here. If we go to Voice Library, you can see all these other ones here. Right, to come along and make a video, click on here, and here you can choose the voice settings. You can adjust them any way you want, and you've got English version 1, English multilingual. Right, so it's exact same. I'll just grab the text that I have and paste in the text, copy paste. And you can see here again, the same amount of characters, click on generate, and the same process. It only takes a few seconds to download.
First off, congratulations on your purchase of...
And once it's rendered, it starts playing. You got this little arrow here, click here. It should, a download button should appear. Oh, sorry, it's still generating. Okay, again, guys, from experimenting with this, if you can't find the voice that you like on Magic Tools, for example, I think they've only around 10 different options there, and you prefer something that is on this, you can feel free to use ElevenLabs. Or more importantly, if you are planning on using your own voice and uploading it, this really is a cool feature. Normally it just pops up and you can download it like an MP4.
First off, congratulations on your purchase of free AI money.
Okay, excellent. Okay, now you can see basically the download appears here. So just click on that and you can save it. So again, if you want to use a long video, just copy paste it, break it down into less than 2,500 characters and go from there. Okay, that's it for this video, guys.